What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, the Von Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about why you need video to make money online. So let's go. Okay, so before we get into the whole video, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado or further delay, which word you want to say, let's get into the topic on hand. Why you need video to make money online. Okay, so this one is for my YouTubers and online marketers, and even my wannabe YouTubers and online marketers. I have found a perfect app for anyone that is looking to make money online but doesn't really want to get behind the camera. Because look, video isn't going anywhere. And as you can see, everyone and their mama has been placed on a video or is in a video online or watches a video online. There are millions and millions and millions of hours of video being uploaded on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok by the hour. Not by the day, but by the hour. Let that sink in and then think to yourself, if you're trying to sell anything online, why would you try to sell with an article? Okay, that doesn't make sense at all. Video is the way to make money online. But the major problem is most marketers struggle with making videos. Either they're camera shy, don't have the time to actually make the video, don't have the money to outsource the process, and the reasons can go on and on and on. So to relieve all that pressure, I want to talk about this new product called VSL Maker. Okay, this is a solution which allows users to make both high-impact video scripts and script-based videos by simply filling in the blanks and swiping done-for-you templates. You will be able to generate those scripts and script-based videos for lead capture, sales, affiliate reviews, explainers, webinar registration, case videos, keyword-based SEO, and even video ads for every social platform. With VSL Maker, every step that used to take days now just take minutes. It is the very first solution which does all the work for you from start to finish. So in short, it takes you from nothing to something, okay? Not even a script, all the way from script to voiceover to fully ready to use video. You do not need a copywriter or copywriting skill or have any technical skill to have sales videos, explainer videos, affiliate bridge videos, or social ad videos done for you. This is a complete solution for video creators and marketers alike. It goes from nothing to videos ready to sell products and services, and also advertising videos. Come on, man. This is a game changer, and this can really make your life that much easier by using this app. And if you want to learn more, go ahead, click the link below, check it out today, okay? I'm telling you, it's worth your time. Until next time, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. Signing off for why you need video to make money online. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.